So here is the official website, and everyone asked us that how we can use Metamask for our BNB chain tokens or coin. So I will guide you here. So I am using the Firefox browser. So just install it. And so here it comes. Let's get started. I agree. There are two options. If you want to create a new, so here, and if you want to import where your secret phrase, import from here. So I'm creating a new wallet. First, let's ask in for a password. And create, save. Now there is a tutorial how it works. I will skip. It's the most important part. It's I'm using for the demo one, but never share your page with anyone. Next, I'm verifying. So here we can say the default is the Ethereum chain always. So now we are converting it to Binance Smart Chain. So we go here, click network. You will find automatic options. You can click here and it will be available. But if you are using in the mobile, you will not found it. So we go here. I put all these details in the descriptions, so you can copy from there. Binance chain. It's Explorer. Save. Okay. So now you will see that our same wallet is on the Binance. So now how we can import the BSC coins here? So it's here. Just copy the contract. Click on the import. It's autofill. Import. So see, the wallet imported the KDT coin, and we can check this wallet on the BSC scan also. You can find this wallet. The Metamask wallet works on Ethereum and BNB. The address remains same always. So this is the best part.